Hello beautiful people, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the font awesome icons. These are the font awesome icons and the CND. So font awesome icon is the internet. If you want to know about what is font awesome, you may need to know what font awesome is. Font awesome is the internet icon library and a toolkit used by millionaires of designers, developers, and content creators. Why do they use Font Awesome? Let me show you a reason as to why they use Font Awesome. So this is the website for Font Awesome. And for you to access it, you just go to your Google and then type in Font Awesome. It's going to display for you this link and then you click on it. So it contains various nice and appealing icons that someone would prefer to use on his or her website. So these are some of the icons, and it has free icons and paid icons. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use free icons since I want everything to be free icons and paid icons. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use free icons since I want everything to be free. So this is what awesome. So this is the website. This website is for an institute, and when you look at the header up here, we have our font icon here, font awesome icon. For the email, I use the font awesome icon, and also for the time. So I'm going to show you how to add a font awesome icon in your website using the CND. So when you look at this website, it is for General Natural Resources and Environment Studies, generous. When you look at the header, it is not appealing because there is too much text. So the client called me and told me, Sharif, I need you to change my header and put there, replace that much text with some icons. So I'm going to show you how to edit or to change this text, and we'll press here for some icon. So we have seen what a font some icon is. So now we want to know what CND is. CND, briefly, it is Content Delivery Network. And CND is a free and open source software that is hosted by Cloudflare. So with CND, it contains millions of, it serves 4013 JavaScript and CSS library. So all these are stored on the GitHub. So these libraries have been included in millions of websites. So in this tutorial, this is how the website for CDN looks. The Content Delivery Network looks. It's a free and open source software. So as you're seeing, this is their website. So I'm going to use CND and font awesome icons to include here an icon for phone. So first of all, what you're going to do, you have to log into the admin panel for your website. So this is my website, and after logging into the admin panel of the website, you go ahead and you click on appearance, then you click on film file editor. When you click on film file editor, you click on it, it's going to load that dashboard. So it has loaded. So under here, again, click on understand. So under here, you come on the side section. As you see, on the side, you're going to go where there is header.php. So I'm going to click on header.php. When you click on header.php, it's going to load that files. So this is my header.php file. So once you click on header.php, you go to your browser, you open up a browser, then under here you're going to write there 𝗙𝗹𝗶𝗵 CND, content delivery network. So you're going to click on the first link as you're seeing. So when you click on the first link, you have to scroll down here, then you come and select the version. I'm going to select version 6.4. Let me select 6.42. I'm going to select version 6.42. Now it's loading for me the files. So once you select the version, you go ahead and do what? And you copy the link tag. So copy link tag. When it's copied, you go back to your admin panel in the header.php file. So within that file, you go and locate the head tag. So this is my head tag. You go ahead and you paste the link for CND in your head tag as you're seeing. So once you paste the link for CND in your head tag, you go ahead and click on update what? Update file. So I've clicked on update file. Here we'll have another message, the file edited successfully. So after that, you go ahead and come to your website, you click on customize. When you click on customize, it is loading that interface. So it is loading. You have to be a little bit patient. So once it loads, I'm going to edit my header. So I go ahead and click on that icon. I come here, I want to edit the top header. I click on top header. I go ahead and click on HTML. So here, we don't want this, the text for call. So what I'm going to do, I go to my 𝗙𝗹𝗶𝗵 website. Then what I want a phone icon. So I type their phone. When you type their phone, we have, like I told you, the icons where you see pro, these are paid ones. So for me, I don't want to dash that money. I'm going to look for this free one. So this is a free icon. I'm going to click on it as you're seeing. And once you click on it, you have to select HTML. So once you select HTML and you click on that link, on that code, simple code, it's going to copy the snippet. So once it's copied, so here you have to be very keen. So right now, the mode we're in, it's visual mode. So you have to make sure that you're in the text mode. So once you select the text mode, you have to go ahead and do what? And paste there your code. So once you paste the code and press on publish, and then you try to go to your website, generous dash, you're going to see that the icon has been affected. So the icon is there, but you're seeing it is so much squeezed. So for me to create space in between the icon, I'll just go back to my code. Then I'm going to put there the space tag. It is nothing but space. So I click on publish. I come back here. You're seeing that something has moved at least. So right now, that is what I'm seeing. So I have to do a little bit of styling such that everything is okay. So I don't need this paragraph. I have to just put my tag here for space. It is nothing but space, as you're seeing. This is the tag that I should use. Then I delete this paragraph, I don't need it. Then I click on publish. So when I try to open my browser and I run the website, wow, it is now looking nice. So when you look at this, the text, I haven't removed the text. I have to remove the text. So I have to delete the call, then I publish. So when I go back, I check to see, oh my God, my icon has been added into the website. So guys, that's how you're able to add a Fort Awesome icon in your website using CND, and hope you have learned something. So don't forget to share and like this video. See you in the next tutorial.